Well, good morning, YouTube. I'm gonna do a spoke replacement, and brake adjustment, and possibly replace my tire. Put my dual sport tire back on here. I like this Ultraverse tire, and it has a lot of tread left on it, but and it's lighter, but this dual sport's way thicker. And I just feel like I'm not gonna have as much problem with little pieces of wire giving me flat tires, so that's why I want to put it back on there. So obviously I'm harvesting spokes out of my other wheel again. Hopefully that one was already loose, so unless I have 2 broken spokes, I'm all set. And I have 1 broken spoke, so I don't have to pull any more spokes out of here. Okay, cool. Hoping the side camera's getting enough of the visualization. Yeah. Need to look at my brakes real quick. If I do take the tire and change it, I'm gonna. Usually, what I do is I pull the brake caliper off at these bolts over here. I pop it off and then I adjust it and I put it back on. It's the easiest thing to do. But if I'm gonna have the wheel off to do the dual sport chain switch out, I'm just gonna leave it on there and adjust it while it's on the frame, the brake, that is. Usually I get all my tools out ahead of time, but I didn't do that. Sorry, just getting ahead of myself is all. And something just fell out. Oh, little Allen wrench, little teeny tiny Allen wrench I'm never gonna use, fell out. But my Allen wrenches, oh shit, that hurt. I might as well get this out one in here. It should be everything I should need to do this. Oh, wire cutters, I gotta cut and zip ties. If I take the wheel off, I need to cut the cable off of there. And that should be everything I should need. Oh, crescent wrench, Larry, come on, dude. Gotta get the wheel off there, bud. What are you thinking about? And that should be everything I should need. Oh, needle nose, just in case the spoke nipple decides to fall out and I need to put it back in the rim. Okay. And that should be everything I should need. Okay. Hopefully I don't have a problem with the flat out trying to come out of the valve right now. So I got my new tire that I'm returning today because the motor didn't fit, so I don't need the tire anymore. I got it yesterday, I mean. You got to return it today, hopefully. Mom's got to give me a lift because it's a 20-pound motor and a big-ass box and a tire in a big-ass box. I can't get those to the UPS store on my bike, obviously, so. I got to let the air out of here anyway in order to replace the spoke. If you're wondering why I'm letting the air out, it's because I can't push the nipple up in the rim if the tire's pumped up. It won't go anywhere. So I was figuring I might as well just switch the tire while I'm at it. But I don't know if I want to do that. It's a struggle. It's such a struggle to get this tire on here. People always use battle in the wrong context, like battle cancer or battle this or battle that, and it's like, it literally is a battle to get this tire. It's a fight to get it on this rim. Need a lot of air in here. It's just easier to replace the spoke while the wheel's still on the bike. Easier. get this in here very easily. You know, it's weird. I'm threading it through the hole. It works for some reason. Just the angle allows you to thread it through the hub hole because the disc's in the way, and I don't want to take the disc off just to replace the spoke. That's just annoying. Once I get past the threads, though, it pretty much slides right in, though. Put this back down. It's not going to be an easy one. I gotta really get up in there. Really gotta get up in there. Shit, more. Gotta get up in there more. There we go, got it. Let me get my spoke wrench out. Oh, luckily that was a fairly easy one. I was going to do this yesterday, but then I started feeling like crap as I was attempting to do it. Because what I started to do was I was going through my pile of spare parts, my wheels, because I'm honestly, oddly, I'm thinking about building a wheel, trying to build a wheel. Myself. And I was trying to dig my way to my fat mountain bike hub motor, my rear one, because I'm pretty sure it's spaced well enough to fit in this frame. And I just have to take it out of that wheel, like de-spoke it, and then I'd have to go online and try to find the shorty spokes I'd need to build a wheel. Just kind of learn how to build a wheel. It's something I should really learn how to do, especially doing projects and stuff with e-bikes. I can't be a true DIY e-bike guy if I can't build my own wheel, right? I don't know if I want to do this. It's like I know if I don't change the tire, I'm gonna get a flat, and then I'm gonna regret not having changed the tire. But I don't really feel up to fighting with this tire right now. You know what though? I'll try it. And if it's feeling like it's too difficult and it's gonna cause me like problems with my problems, I'm just gonna just put the other tire back on, because I really need to get that switched out. No more flat tires. Well, I'll still get flat tires if I run over a bolt or a nail or something. I don't know why no one has like been able to invent something to go in your tire that's not plastic, that's like some kind of really flexible, durable metal that you can put inside of your tire to keep from getting flats. And I'm not like talking like the Tannis tire armor foam stuff. I mean like, because that's not foolproof. That you can still get something puncture. Something can still puncture your tube even with the Tannis tire armor stuff. So shit. So it's like, come on, NASA, help us get rid of flat tires, man. Because you know NASA's gonna have to invent some shit. I mean, they can send like satellites to space that are damage resistant and crap to like micro meteors and shit, but nobody can invent something that'll actually keep you from getting flat tires. It's like, we've been to the moon, but we can't stop flat tires. That's just kind of ridiculous. And of course the tire industry doesn't really want something like that, because then they'll lose sales. So I'm thinking there's been lobbying against something actually foolproof, keeping us from having to constantly replace our tires and shit on our bikes and our motorcycles and our scooters and our cars and every freaking thing else we have to deal with. So I need to turn that brake like a quarter turn when I get it off of here. Yeah, I know I sound like a conspiracy theorist, but think about it. Think about all the innovations we've come up with lately, and we're still dealing with flat tires. I mean, what the hell, man? That's ridiculous. Man, I got these nuts on here really tight. Use Louise. I don't know why I'm cutting this zip tie off from the side. I still got to stand up and disconnect the cable. Maybe I don't. Or maybe I do. Yeah, I do. I gotta get the... Let me rock this loose real quick. No, I need that up. Oh, I forgot to get my other Allen wrench out. I need my other Allen wrench for the brake. I need to stand up. Let's see what I'm doing here. It's probably enough. Yeah, it's gonna be enough. I was like looking for the valve cap. It's like, dummy, you took the valve cap off to let the air out. What are you doing? Well, I'm hoping since I've actually used this other tire that maybe it won't be as difficult to get on here as it usually is. Hopefully. Nope, not done pulling that tire out of there yet. One thing I mentioned in my video already a few times is what I like about the dual sport tires I use, these MMG or similar MMG tires, since the seller sent me a non-MMG tire last time, but it has the same tread pattern, whatever. It's a universal tread. It doesn't matter what direction you put it on the wheel, it goes either way. It's a bisexual tire. Bisexual tire. I think I should try to squeeze some more air out of this tube though before I do this too. It's gonna be a bit of a struggle. I'm stepping on the tube right now and pushing down to try to get a little more air out of it. Yes, I very carefully stepped on it because I'm obviously not gonna try to intentionally puncture it with my foot and the ground. That's a little bit better. That should be a little bit easier. Not much, but a little bit. Before I do that, I'm going to go over the tire and make sure there's nothing sticking through it. Oh, that's just a smoots on there. No, there's nothing sticking out of it or through it. Okay. You may notice a little wet spot on my tube. It's from last time when the the screw went through my tire. The other tire, there's still residue in the tire. Now I need to do this smart and start from the motor, the cable side, so that I don't lay it down on the cable side like I did before on my other wheel and jack up the cable. That sucked when I did that. So I ruined a perfectly good motor and wheel and everything. What I'll probably end up having to do is stand up and finish this off on the whatchamacallit, the trash can, because I'm going to need more leverage for this eventually. Plus, like I said, again, it gets to be too difficult and I'm just going to give up, because that's what I do. Just kidding. Come on, we know I don't give up that easily. I may say I'm going to give up, but then lo and behold, I'm right back on my bike again, putting out more videos. It's really difficult to get this thing in here. Shit. Really, really difficult. It was not fun. It's like those Pringles commercials, greasy, not fun. Okay, shit. It's not working. You also got to do this in such a way that you don't accidentally pinch your tube. So that's of top of mind as well as I'm trying to do this. Scoot this over a little further when I try that. Shit, come on, come out of there. This is making my right calf hurt for some reason, like for leverage purposes. See, getting the one side on there is difficult as it is, but getting this side on, oh my god, this is the rough part right here. Now, Tyre, if you go on super easy, you're going to make a liar out of me, and my viewers are never going to believe anything I say ever again. So don't do that. But then also do that. Oh man, this is a fight. See, it would be so much easier if I could do it from the non-cable side. Then I could use the brake to kind of hold these levers in place. But I can't do that because then I'll jack up my cable, like I said. So I gotta do it this way. Now the tube's sticking out over here. Why the hell is the tube sticking out? Shit. Kind of just need to get it started and then flip it over. Problem is everything keeps wanting to move. See, I got part of it in the tires, at least going in there now. Shit. trying to pop back out now, though, too. Now, supposedly you're supposed to be able to use like soap, dish soap and water on this to make it a little easier, but honestly, I don't think anything's going to make this easier. It's popping out of the damn rim. I can't keep it in there. Basically you need 3 fucking hands to do this. That's the problem. You need 3 hands to do this shit. And I don't have 3 hands, obviously. Because that would be weird. The 3-handed e-biker. That'd be a unique channel. Okay, let's just try to push some of this in here with my thumbs. You know, see, it won't seat in the damn rim. So I push one part of it. Well, guys, it looks like I gotta go stand up and try to do this on the trash can lid. Fuck. I'm just lazy. That's the problem. I'm just too lazy. I got way more leverage like this. I don't know why I just didn't do it this way in the first place. I never learn. I always default to this method at the end, but I think it's way too far in there. And it's popping back out on me. Popping fresh tire. See, I'm hitting the tube right now. Oh, don't pinch the tube. Don't pinch the tube. Don't pinch the tube. Don't pinch the tube, you piece of shit. No. No. Don't pinch the tube. The inner side just popped out, and I lost a whole bunch of the progress I just made. Fuck. God damn it, I'm hitting the tube like every time I'm doing this. I gotta sit down. Shit. Fuck. Fuck me. My chest started bothering me. Sharp stabbing pains, always fun. Why the hell am I doing this to myself, guys? I'm gonna get it on there and go to air it up, and I just know there's gonna be a pinch flat. I gotta sit here for a second. So how are you all doing today? I was doing okay until just now. You don't even know, my heart is like beating so fast right now. It's such a struggle to do this shit. I mean, hell, even if my health was good and I was in shape, this would still be difficult to do. Damn, dude. Oh my God. Wouldn't it suck? I go through all this difficulty and first ride on it again, and I hit a nail or some shit, and I'll be like, I'm gonna take a vacation. I'll just use my 15 videos I haven't uploaded yet and just upload those over a month. Shit. God damn it. I don't know if I can finish doing this now. Damn, that hurts. Trying to get my heart rate to slow down. Oh my God. Oh my God. Let's try this again. Shit. I'm gonna take my time and take it easy now. Now I'm like yanking the tube every time I do this. Camera just reset. I heard it. Okay. Last couple little pushes here and I'll be all done with this. It's on there. Oh God, okay. I'll go sit down again. Shit. Oh. Fuck. I was trying way too hard. I just needed to not try so hard. Shit. Well, I guess we'll know if I got the brake caliper in the right position right now, or I'll start screaming about the fact I got it too close. Where's it at? What are we doing? There we go, I got it. Oh, man. Oh, damn, that hurts a little bit. Just a little bit. Fuck. Alright, where'd my Allen wrench go? Where'd my Allen wrench go? There it is. Shit. What was I thinking about, guys? That was such a bad idea. Good and bad idea all at the same time. So sorry you guys are getting a really good view of the tire right now. I at least got to get this wheel back on here so I can flip the bike over and put it in the garage before I go in the house and collapse right now. Really wanted to get the brakes done too, though. Kind of lightheaded and dizzy right now. My speech is getting a little bit slurred. It's just my usual reaction to my problems. I'm not having a heart attack. It's just pain. It just sucks. Just glad the wheel went in there super easy, and it's like just perfectly like aligned with the brake pad. So I actually did a good job. You know, I keep saying I'm always worried like these nuts, like I tighten them individually, like in increments, so that the axle doesn't slip up out of the rear of the frame. I'm a moron. You know why it won't happen? Because of these torque arms. The torque arms hold these nuts and this axle down in place, so there's like no reason for me to do the incremental tightening thing. I overthink shit a lot, and this is one of those situations where I overthink this a lot. Shit. Yeah. This is not a very pleasant feeling. Ow. Hurt my freaking... So that didn't hurt the wrist that I was using to turn the nut on. That hurt my other wrist that I was using to balance my bike. What the hell? And they put that zip tie out. There it is. Put some of this shit away while I'm at it, while I'm up. Oh, shit, dude. Shit, dudes. Holy shit, dudes. Guess I'm not going to be returning my stuff today either then if I keep feeling like this. Man. This does not feel good. And I still got to pump the tire back up too. Shit. I don't even need to adjust that cable. It was just the inside pad that was worn out that time. Thank goodness. Okay, let's get some air in this tire. Make sure I didn't pinch flat my tire tube. Please don't tell me I did that. Well, that went on there pretty easy for once, thank goodness. Oh, damn, it says it's almost dead. Start putting away the tools I don't need now. Probably not going to be able to do the brakes. I'm probably just going to have to shelve this for right now. Maybe come back out later and do it when I'm feeling better. I'll see when the tire gets pumped up. I'll be able to know whether I'm going to be able to finish doing this. I'd like to just get it done. You know, I forgot to check the PSI on this tire. I can't remember if it's 35 or 40. I think it's 40 though. Let me see. Do not. Well, it doesn't have it on this side. It doesn't say the PSI on this side. I guess it's on the other side. Oh well. It's probably fine. That in my semi-professional opinion, it's probably perfectly fine. Larry don't feel too good right now. Is that everything that goes in the backpack? Yes, it is. Let's go ahead and cap my tire. Well, apparently I didn't pinch flat the tube, otherwise this thing would be going flat already, like really fast. I think I am going to try the soapy water method next time, because that's just hard, man. That's just really hard. You know what? I'm gonna put this away for now. I'm not gonna keep trying to do my front brake with how I feel right now. That's just not a good idea. That's not advisable. It is not advisable at all. Put all this crap away. Probably leave it right here by the back of Mom's car. I don't think she's going anywhere today. She'll yell at me and let me know if she is. And, Larry, goddamn it! Move your bike. That's not how my mom talks. Pretty sure some of you have heard of how she talks. The mic really doesn't pick her up though when she's talking to me. So, yeah. Well, that was fun. Not. So tires not going flat. Brakes are working on the rear really freaking awesomely good now. Holy shit, I did a good job. All I have left to do is adjust the front brake, but I'm going to try to do that later and then maybe go for a ride later if I'm feeling better. But it's getting kind of warm out here, so I don't know if that's going to happen even. It's only like 8 o'clock right now out here. So let me get this flipped over. I'm going to do something so I'm not flashing the camera with my stomach. I'm going to pull my shirt up. The other camera, that is. I'm pretty sure you already got a good view of my hanging down flappy gut, but whatever. At least this way I also won't get it stuck on my headlight, bike light, whatever you want to call it. Oh yeah, rear brakes work great, front brakes not so much. Let's go ahead and I don't need my tools to fix the front brake, so I can put these away. I need my Allen wrenches, and they're in my backpack. Oh man, I don't feel good. Jesus. You know, oddly enough, with how hard it was to get that tire on there, I think that's the fastest I've ever been able to get it on there. So, I'm gonna grab my, I'll leave that there. Well, I'm gonna set this up here for now. So I gotta put this away. Oh shit. My wheel's in the way. Oh well, fuck it, whatever. Oh, I forgot to put I was supposed to put my new crimpers in my tools right now. I guess I'll just throw it in my backpack. These are the new crimpers I had to buy because I lost my others. The other ones are very similar to that though, but a different brand. The other brand I had was like a Radio Shack brand. And I had them for years. And they never did me dirty, so I was really bummed out that I lost them. So I'm gonna basically just stick my bike back by the back of Mom's car right now and try to come out here and finish working on this later. Or come out here and move it if Mom needs to go somewhere, like I already mentioned a couple times. Sorry, I'm just talking to distract myself from the good amount of pain I'm in right now. Not a good feeling. Well, with that, remember to have a wonderful whatever, wherever you are. And I will see you in the next e-bike video. Hopefully it goes to plan. Okay, bye.